little informational video for the start of practice next week. Practice will start next Wednesday at 8 o'clock in the morning at Riverside Park at boat launch number 2, and we'll get done roughly 10 o'clock-ish. Some things you're going to need for practice. Even to attend practice, you need to have your physical done. So make sure these are turned into the office before the first day of practice. If you don't have time to do that and you can get it done, you can give it to me Wednesday of practice and I will get it turned in for you. Some pieces of equipment you might wish to consider and would be very helpful at practice. One is a water bottle for hydration. I will have water there, but it's always nice, really, if bring your own. A lot of people like to use a Gatorade mix or Powerade or whatever, so bring your own water bottle. Another piece of equipment that's going to be important is get a watch. Everybody's times are going to be different for intervals and tempo runs and so forth. Even your easy runs are going to be on time, so you need to be able to access that time, so you're going to need a watch. Sunglasses are helpful if it's a sunny day out there and you're not squinting, and they also help protect your eyes. And again, you can look pretty cool in your sunglasses. Another piece of equipment is get some fashionable running shorts. Get out of the basketball shorts. We run, we don't play basketball, so find yourself some basketball shorts. Last but not least is the most important piece of equipment you have, and that is a good running shoe. I would suggest almost 2 pairs of running shoes. One to keep for just running on asphalt and like the White Pine Trail and so forth, and then another pair, and this could even be maybe your old pair, to run on grass surfaces. Riverside Park quite often in the morning has dew on it, and they're going to get wet, they're going to get stinky, and by the end of the season you pretty much end up trashing one pair, so that probably wouldn't be a bad idea. And then just keep your other one for when it's drier out. A lot of kids ask, do I need spikes? I would recommend them. Spikes are relatively inexpensive, and many kids have gone through a whole career in the same pair of spikes because you just wear them for race days. One thing I would suggest, and I want to give a plug for Mr. Taylor at the Runnery, is that he can fit you in a proper fitting shoe. Everybody's biomechanics, arches are a little bit different, and there's many different styles of shoes, and he can help you with that. He can also help you with getting all these other pieces of equipment also. So don't be afraid to stop over and talk to him and let him give you a hand there. With that is about all I have to say today, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody next Wednesday, 8 o'clock at Riverside Park.